Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have another review from Teami, and it is a new tea that I'm trying out, and they have inserts for the tumblers. You want to see what these are about? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so after I placed my last order and I had got a new tumbler and I got the butterfly tea, which I really enjoyed. Right afterwards, I saw they posted that they have Zodiac sign inserts for the tumblers, and I'm like, why didn't I see those a few days ago? So I had to place another order. So I got one for each different size of my tumblers. So I'm gonna put them in and we're gonna see what they look like. And then I went ahead and got another tea to try out because I really love and enjoy their teas. So let's go ahead and put these inserts in, and then we will talk about the tea and see what it's all about. So now they do also have summer inserts. And from what I believe I heard her say on one of her Instagram posts is that every summer they come out with new designs, and those are the only ones that they use for that year. When they sell out, they sell out, and then the next year they make new designs. And this year they have really pretty ones. There's popsicles, there's like palm leaves, there's ones with flowers on them. They're just so pretty and definitely summery. And then even like the flowers or the leaves would be good for year round. The popsicle one is just really cute. So I got my zodiac sign, which I'm a Scorpio. So this has my Scorpio sign. It has my symbol and then the stars, and I just love this stuff. So now with these, they come apart like that. So I'm assuming that rolls up inside this layer. So this is the bigger one. Let me try this one first. Oh, those plastic on here. I wonder why it looked a little foggy. So step one, remove the plastic film. Step two, stick it in your cup. There we go. Now it's wanting to work. All right, let me get that down a little bit more. Just doesn't seem like maybe I have it upside down, or maybe it wasn't cut right. Let's see. Let me try the other way. There we go. The other way just wasn't working. So if it seems a little odd, turn it around and then it's perfect. So look how cute. So now I can rock my zodiac sign in my Teami blend cup. That is awesome. So now it's like definitely tailored more towards me. It's more personal. So let me go ahead and step one. What was that again? Let's remove the film. Oh my goodness. I'm like, why is this thing sticking? Yes, it sure does. Okay, so let's see. Yep, that is the perfect fit. Put my thing back in there. And I always wondered, I'm like, why does this come apart? And now I know. So there we have it. Look how pretty. Oh my gosh. And these tumblers come in so many different colors. Like you can definitely get your favorite color and be good to go. This one I put in backwards. It wasn't saying Scorpio, it was saying Orpi something. However you want to say Scorpio backwards. But it definitely wasn't the way I wanted it to be. So now it's a Scorpio. Alrighty. So there is my baby blue tumbler with my insert. And again, they have so cute ones for summer. And of course I saw the summer ones after I ordered these, or else I would have grabbed a few of those as well, because then I could switch them out, because they're never gonna get dirty or anything. They stay in between the two layers. So that is awesome. And if you guys haven't watched my other ones, these tumblers are amazing. you use them for any tea. You don't have to use it with their tea, but their tea is amazing. But I know some of you said their teas are kind of expensive. So you can use it for any tea. You can use it to infuse water, put fruits and vegetables or lemons or grapefruit or oranges or anything you want to put in here, because then the top part has the strainer. So everything you put in here, you put the strainer on top, and then you put your lid on top. So whatever you're drinking just the pure liquid, because that strainer will strain out all of the things, the particles from the tea or particles from your fruit, the seeds, the pulp, the whatever that you have in there. So these are amazing. It comes with the little wrist thing. You can take this off if you would like, but it makes it hands-free. So if you're going for a jog or a walk or just chilling at home or going to work or the gym or the park or the beach or anywhere you're going, this is the perfect size. Now here's the two different sizes side by side. This is the one that I started out with, and then when I ordered another one, I went ahead and just grabbed the bigger one because I wanted to get the bigger one. It's only a little bit more anyways, so I thought it would be a better deal. And I'm so glad they have these inserts. And I just, like I said, I really wish I would have known before I placed this order, because I would have definitely grabbed some of the summer ones as well, because they're so cute, especially the one with the popsicles. Oh my gosh, it is so cute. So if you guys want to check out Teami blends, I have a link down below that'll go to their website, and you can use my code SheCrafty15 to get 15% off of your entire order. And sometimes they do have my code for the 20% off active, so you can try SheCrafty20 and see if that works. If SheCrafty20 works, it'll save you 20% off your entire purchase. If not, SheCrafty15 is always active all the time to get you at least 15% off your entire order. And there's no minimum purchase. It's just, I just love this. I love this company. I love their tumblers. They even have a pitcher. I did a review on the pitcher because then I can make a whole pitcher of tea, put it in the refrigerator. It's iced tea and I use it as I want it. And it has a little strainer, little basket thing, which is an amazing concept, and I love it. I have 2 pitchers, I have 2 tumblers, and I've tried several of their teas. So this is another tea. This is a Teami Boost, and this says vanilla matcha. Not sure, I've never had this one before, but this one says this blend is full of antioxidants and helps naturally raise energy levels. Replace your morning cup of coffee with Teami Boost for substantial energy all day. And it has matcha powder, loose leaf tea, peppermint leaves, vanilla beans, contains plant-based caffeine. Calories is 0%, trans fat 0%. So there's no sugars, everything is 0% on everything. And I am totally trying to get into drinking more teas because I really like having coffee with my creamer. So I know that's not good. So I definitely love their teas. And again, you can use any tea or you can just infuse your water in these. I love these tumblers. So even if you just want to buy the tumblers and the pitcher just to have to drink with your teas that you currently have or the ones you currently like, you can definitely just purchase the tumblers. You can purchase just the teas, or they even have an amazing skincare line, which I still have a review to do on that as well. So look out for that one in the future. So let's go ahead and open this. Let's smell this, and then I will pause. I will go make a cup, and I will tell you guys how it tastes. Ooh, it smells, I can definitely smell the peppermint already. Oh yeah, this smells very mentholy. Definitely mentholy. Whew. And I've never had this kind before, so it's just probably the tea. But you see all that green like powdery stuff? I've never had that kind, but we are gonna definitely try it now, and I'm really excited, especially if this one's Boost. It gives you caffeine with 0% calories, 0% fat, 0% sugars. So that is awesome. So I'm gonna go ahead and make me a cup, and I will be right back. Okay, you guys, so I went ahead and I made my tea, and it turned it like a darker brownish color, I think because it's all that powder that's in there, but no problem. You can see my little Zodiac insert a lot more now with that. Look how cool. Okay, you guys, so let's go ahead and do a little taste test. I've had this sit out for a little bit, so it shouldn't be too hot. It smells very mentholy, let me tell you. That pepperminty, it smells like menthol. it actually tastes really, really good. It tastes pepperminty, mentholy, but it leaves a nice, clean, refreshing taste in your mouth. And if you're supposed to take this, like if you drink this instead of your coffee in the morning, that at least it's good to have a nice little refreshing taste in your mouth as well, you know? But that's awesome. That tastes really good. Yeah, it's definitely pepperminty. I don't really taste a whole lot of the vanilla, but it says vanilla machata. Is that how you say it? Machata. Ay, machata. I don't know. But I definitely taste the peppermint leaves. It says vanilla beans. I mainly taste peppermint. I smell peppermint. I taste peppermint, but that's good. I mean, it's a nice, refreshing, and I still have that nice, refreshing taste going on, you know, in my mouth, and when I breathe, it feels nice and cool, and that's really neat. I like that. So there you have it, you guys. There are my inserts. There is the new Boost tea that I am trying out, and I can't wait. I'm gonna start drinking this instead of my coffee in the morning. It's better for me. There's no calories, no sugar, and I'm so excited to now start on a better, healthier journey again, because I need to get my butt back in gear. I like that. I like that a lot. Okay, you guys, so if you're not already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you will not miss a future video. I'd greatly appreciate it. Again, you can get anything from their site, from the teas to the skincare to the tumblers to the pictures and anything in between that they have, and you can use my code SheCrafty15 all year long, but definitely try SheCrafty20 just in case that one is still active when you do try, and it'll save you a little bit more money. It just depends on what specials they have going on that month and what they activate in their system, but the 15 is always active, but they do put in the 20, so you can always try those and see. Worst case scenario, SheCrafty15 will get you every time. So thank you so much. Again, you guys, if you have any questions, comment down below. Your positive interaction with me means the world, and I greatly appreciate that as well. So until next time, keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.